Welcome to the AI Black Belt Intensive Program, where you'll embark on a transformative journey to build core AI competencies. Get ready for hands-on experience and progression from a basic user to an AI innovator. Let's dive in. Our AI Black Belt Intensive Program offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers AI fundamentals and advanced topics. We focus on practical applications and real-world case studies, ensuring that you gain hands-on experience. Additionally, we integrate business strategy with AI implementation, providing you with a well-rounded understanding of AI's impact on the business world. In this section, we will delve into the in-depth understanding of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Additionally, we will focus on the development of data analysis and predictive modeling skills. Furthermore, the training will encompass AI ethics, bias mitigation, and responsible AI practices. In the AI Black Belt Intensive Program, participants will engage in interactive workshops and projects to apply AI concepts in diverse scenarios. They will receive guidance from industry experts and mentors to enhance their skills, and they will be on a pathway to creating AI solutions and leading AI-driven initiatives. The belt system represents a journey of growth and expertise in AI. Each level signifies a deeper understanding and a broader skill set, providing a clear path for advancing knowledge and capabilities in the field of artificial intelligence. Certifications in the AI Black Belt Intensive Program validate proficiency and knowledge at each level. Each belt demonstrates mastery of specific AI concepts through practical applications and assessments. The program ensures that proficiency is assessed through real-world scenarios, ensuring a deep understanding of AI concepts and their practical applications. As we progress through the AI Black Belt Intensive Program, higher belt levels indicate the ability to streamline complex processes. Efficiency and optimization are key components of mastery, leading to increased productivity and innovation. This emphasis on streamlining work processes is crucial for achieving success at advanced levels of the program. Welcome to the White Belt, AI User Level, where we dive into the basics of AI. In this section, we will explore the fundamental AI concepts and applications, understand the impact of AI on business processes, and discover AI tools and platforms suitable for beginners. Let's embark on this journey to build a strong foundation in AI and unleash its potential in your role. As a yellow belt AI practitioner, you will be able to implement AI solutions in your specific business function, utilizing AI to optimize decision-making processes and integrating AI into existing workflows for efficiency. This proficiency will empower you to leverage AI tools effectively in your role, driving impactful changes and improvements within your organization. Discover the power of advanced AI capabilities for gaining strategic insights, leveraging predictive analytics and forecasting, and harnessing AI-driven automation and personalization to enhance your role as an AI superuser. In the green belt, AI creator level, you will learn to develop custom AI solutions, gain expertise in AI algorithm design, and understand the process of training AI models. This level focuses on empowering you to create AI tools and contribute to the advancement of AI technology. In the blue belt, AI builder level, you will master the art of scaling AI solutions. You will explore techniques for building AI at scale and learn to optimize AI tools for efficiency. In the purple belt, AI master level, you will gain skills to integrate AI into business processes, deploy AI solutions across various functions, and understand the impact of AI on organizational performance. This level focuses on deploying 100x AI tools across your role, enabling you to make a significant impact on your organization's AI capabilities and performance. As a brown belt, AI leader, you will empower your team with advanced AI tools for enhanced productivity. You will lead the integration of AI technologies to streamline operations and drive innovation by leveraging AI to solve complex business challenges. Discover how the AI Black Belt Intensive Program can transform your company with AI-driven strategies for exponential growth. Learn how to implement AI solutions to optimize processes and drive cost savings, and enable a culture of AI adoption across all departments for maximum impact. Developing AI expertise is crucial for driving strategic initiatives and achieving business goals. By leveraging AI for data-driven decision-making, individuals can contribute to the company's success. Becoming a catalyst for change, they can champion AI adoption and drive digital transformation, ultimately making significant contributions to organizational success. Discover the exclusive offer at aismlbazguy.com and take advantage of our limited-time offer to join our premium membership. By joining now, you'll gain access to exclusive content and benefits, elevating your experience with the AI Black Belt Intensive Program. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your AI skills and capabilities by going to aismallbizguy.com.